Long, long ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a brave and kind princess named Padmé Amidala. She was loved by all the people of Naboo, but there was something else that made Padmé very special. She had a secret garden, hidden deep within the heart of Theed Palace. Only she knew where it was, and she visited it every day to find peace and inspiration. One sunny morning, Padmé decided to share her secret garden with her closest friends. She invited Anakin Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and her handmaidens to join her for a special gathering. They walked through the palace corridors, following a series of secret passages that Padmé knew by heart. Finally, they arrived at the entrance to the garden. "Welcome to my secret garden," Padmé said, her eyes sparkling with joy. "I've kept this place a secret for so long, but I wanted to share it with my friends." The garden was filled with beautiful flowers, tall trees, and a sparkling fountain. The friends played and laughed, enjoying the beauty of the garden. Obi-Wan knelt by the fountain, taking a moment to reflect. "This is a truly magical place," he said. "I can feel the force here." Anakin and the handmaidens played hide and seek, running through the garden, their laughter filling the air. Padmé sat by a tree, watching her friends play. She felt a sense of peace and happiness in this special place. As the day turned to evening, the friends gathered around the fountain. They told stories, shared jokes, and sang songs together. Finally, it was time to leave. Padmé thanked her friends for coming and promised to show them the garden again soon. As they walked back through the palace, Padmé felt a sense of contentment. She was grateful for her secret garden and the memories she had made with her friends. And from that day on, the garden was no longer a secret. It became a place where friends could come to laugh, play, and find peace, just like Padmé. The end.